Hi, welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm here at the Downtown Kingston Coronation Market. This week I have a budget of $3,000 and we're gonna see what we can get in the market this week. Let's go shopping. Hi Richard.
Hi.
Can you tell me what are some of the factors impacting the prices of produce in the market this week?
Drought mostly in our farming here, like Trilla and St. Elizabeth, the higher part of St. Elizabeth, where most of farming go on. Them have a drought problem. Price I go up as me always tell you. Tomato I go home, sweet pepper the nursery price gone up, and pepper, hot pepper, sweet potato, onion now reach at 200 because I'm mostly local Irish. I don't think nothing ever go down.
Well, that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.